Fix igfxext.exe module high memory or CPU usage in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Update your Intel graphics driver. Outdated or broken graphics drivers are one of the most common reasons for igfxext.exe module using too many resources. Right-click your Intel graphics device and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers and wait till all the files are downloaded and installed. Restart your PC once the update completes. If that didn't work, Fix 2. Check for recent Windows updates. A known bug in Windows or graphics integration could be responsible for abnormal process behavior. If optional updates are available, install them as well. Restart your system once done. Fix 3. Check for system file corruption. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, Fix 4. Disable Intel-related startup tasks. Some Intel utilities are not required for system operation and may be using resources in the background. Look for Intel Graphics Command Center, Intel Driver and Support Assistant, or similar items. Right-click and select Disable. Restart your system.